In this tutorial, I will show you how to embed Zoom recordings to a Weebly website. The video file is locally saved under the Zoom Basic plan, and with a couple of clicks, any student who did not attend a live video conference can catch up watching the recording. Step 1. Once the meeting has ended, verify the location of the saved video file. Bring it to an accessible location if needed. Currently, the file that I just recorded, which is right there, is under my Zoom folder in my documents. I would probably like to move this so that it is on my desktop and easily accessible. Let's verify that it's there, and it is. Click OK so it's saved there, and I can go ahead and double check if it was the right one. The video file is right there, Zoom_0. That is the recording of my meeting that I had. If you'd like to rename it and move it, that'd probably be the best bet. And drag that back to the desktop itself. At this point, I'm now going to go to my Weebly page and upload the file so that any student in my class can watch it. Under the Build tab, I would select HD video as my media and plop it wherever I want it to go. You click here to upload the file, upload the video. If you recall, I had saved it onto my desktop under Lesson 1 Math. There's the file. I could test it out, make sure it works. I can increase the size and the quality if needed. Also in Weebly, just to organize it, you can have the spacing adjusted and make sure it is centered. Make sure you publish. Don't forget to do that. And then you're good to go. Just for testing purposes, you can go ahead and check it out. And there you go. The video is ready to go for anyone who would like to watch it. Hope this video helps. Good luck.